What's up, gentlemen? So over the years, I have literally dropped 6,227 tips on how to look better. But the 11 I'm going over today, whoo mama, they are simple, they are quick, and they are effective. First simple thing that any one of you can do to instantly boost your looks is to have better sideburns, all right? Sideburns are one of those things that can make or break a style, also your aesthetic. One of the biggest mistakes that totally F's up your look is when you cut your sideburn off straight above your ear, all right? Instead, you need to drop it down to about middle of the ear. But instead of cutting your sideburn straight, I want you to just angle it slightly. It's all about that angle. It's a simple, subtle thing that you can do to improve the style of your sideburns, but also lengthen your jaw. It's all about creating the visual illusion of length and following your jawline. Number 2 is have a stronger looking jaw, all right? Now, I'm gonna give you 2 quick tips in order to make this happen. Number 1, if you can grow a beard, grow it. It's not only gonna add visual interest and strength to your face, it's gonna make you sexier because everybody knows beards are sexy. But the second tip is to define your boundaries better. It doesn't matter if you've got a strong jaw or a weak jaw. If you are edging up your beard wrong, it's going to make you look worse. Draw an imaginary line from the top of your ear to the corner of your mouth. You are going to shave everything above, leave everything below. Once again, it's about that angle, following the jaw, making it appear stronger. And then your chin, gentlemen, all you got to do, look straight, take your finger, bang, shave everything below, leave everything above. If you are somebody that is carving too high up underneath your chin, it's going to make you look like you got a fat double chin. 1 gallon of water a day. Not only is drinking 1 gallon of water going to make you feel better physically, it's going to make you look better literally like overnight. Because when you give your body enough hydration, you're not going to retain as much fluid, making your face look fat. Little bonus, Alpha M Pro water drinking tip, gentlemen. Add a little bit of lemon to your water. Not only is it going to help flavor it, make it taste better, it's also going to act as a natural diuretic, making you retain less water. The 4th quick, simple, easy thing that you can do to instantly boost your looks is to whiten your teeth. It doesn't matter the quantity or the quality, the teeth in your mouth. White teeth are better looking teeth. In terms of the best whitening option, guys, there's so many out there, most of which can be done at home for a very affordable price. I have tried a bunch, everything from the charcoal toothpaste to the whitening, like, you get that and you do that. The whitening strips, these are my personal preference and what I use, and I feel like this is the best option if you are somebody that does have sensitive teeth. They're quick, they're easy, and you can buy them anywhere. The 5th simple thing that any one of you can do to instantly boost your appearance is to take better care of your skin by developing and sticking to a skincare routine. But Alpha, it's so confusing. There's so many products. Gentlemen, shh. 100% right. It is super confusing. There are a ton of products. You don't know what to do, what's bullshit, what actually works. Gentlemen, that is the reason why we started Tiege Hanley, a simplified, uncomplicated skincare routine. In every Tiege Hanley system, you get an instruction card that shows you exactly what time of day to use what product, in what order, and even how much. We have totally simplified the process. Twice a day, you need to wash your face. Morning and night to remove the oil, the dirt, the grime that builds up. Twice a week, you need to exfoliate. Exfoliation removes the top dead layer of skin. It also helps keep your pores from getting like blackheads and gunk. And then moisturize, gentlemen. Every morning you need to use a moisturizer that has an SPF of 20 to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. And then before you go to bed and hit that slumber action, you need to make sure you're giving your face the goodness it needs in order to wake up super sexy and handsome. And that's it. It is that simple, gentlemen. A basic skincare routine. And those are the 4 products that come in a Tiege Hanley level 1 system. Now, if you're a little bit older, you might want to go level 2, which is going to come with an eye cream. The eye cream is amazing because it's not only going to fight dark circles and puffiness, it's going to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. But if you are ready to fight Mother Nature like a Kung Fu freaking ninja, then you want to go level 3, which actually comes with the eye cream, also an anti-aging super serum. Gentlemen, the deal is, I'm going to link to Tiege Hanley right now. We've got an offer for you that is amazing. For limited time and while supplies last, for those of you who hit that link down below and get started with Tiege, choose your system. Whether or not it's 1, 2, or 3, it doesn't matter. And then you are going to actually get a $20 free gift designed specifically to make your body smell better, look better, and be sexier. You're going to get a 2-ounce sandalwood body wash. You're also going to get the Tiege Hanley body scrubber. Squirt this on this in the shower. Bingo, bango. Don't forget the man parts, gentlemen. It is amazing. You're also going to get a scrub body bar. This bad boy, you use twice a week. You don't need to use this every day because the exfoliation factor is ridiculous. Do not use this on your nipples or Big Al. $20 free gift, make you holla. Gentlemen, it's also gonna make you sexy and handsome. Guys, the bottom line is this: we have a limited supply, so if you are ready to finally take control of your looks and instantly do something that's going to have a dramatic impact on how you look, how you feel, and the sexiness of your face, gentlemen, hit the link down below. Get started with Tiege Hanley today. Remember, choose your system, and while supplies last, you are going to get a $20 free gift. You're getting the scrubber. Yeah, you're getting the body wash. Yeah, you're also getting that bar that you should not use on Big Al or your nipples. The sixth simple thing that any one of you can do to look more attractive and have a better looking face, gentlemen, is take care of your eyes. All right, there are a few things I want to discuss real quick. All right, your eyes are one of those things that automatically makes you look better or worse. Now, if you've got bloodshot eyes, why? Why is it going on? Why are your eyes bloodshot? It's not normal, and so you got to figure that out. If it means going to the doctor to talk to them, go to a doctor. But in the meantime, if you want to make your eyes look a little bit better, you drop some Visine, bingo bango, your eyes are looking sexy. But you don't want to overuse this. You also don't want to get into the habit of using it every day. But something you should use every day is actually an eye cream. An eye cream is amazing in terms of reducing the puffiness, the dark circles, also those fine lines. All right, the way that it works, guys, just a little squirt right there. Then pat, 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 all the way around. Do not rub, all right? When you rub, this is actually increasing the likelihood of you breaking capillaries and blood vessels, making your eyes look worse. The next simple thing any one of you can do to instantly boost your appearance is give yourself a manicure, right? Manicure, get it? Anyway. A high-quality manicure kit, guys, is an essential grooming must-have for every well-groomed guy, all right? Because the truth is, people notice your nails. The next simple thing any one of you can do to boost your appearance is to use less hair product. Guys, one of the big mistakes that a lot of guys make is that they use way too much, right? They put it in, they think that the more they use, the higher hold, the more it's going to actually work. The truth is, if you're using the right product, you don't need as much. By cutting back or reducing the amount of product you're actually using, your hair is going to look a lot more natural, a lot healthier. If you're wanting a little more boost, a little more life, a little more texture, then definitely invest in a sea salt spray pre-styler. Next simple thing any one of you can do to look better and bigger is trim your pubes and don't forget to shave your balls. The quickest and easiest way for you to make Big Al look mas grande is to take the bush down and let that tiger out of the jungle. And then fuzzy nuts, fuzzy nuts, gentlemen. Fuzzy nuts don't look good on anybody. And so the solution is shave your balls. Next thing you can do to instantly boost your looks is to ditch the white shirts, all right? Now, I love white, but it's not necessarily the best color. And the reason is because white oftentimes will wash you out and make you look paler. The other downside is if your teeth aren't like super white, a white shirt makes your teeth look more yellow. The next simple thing any one of you can do to literally instantly boost your appearance is to have better brows, right? Your eyebrows. These are one of the things that can quickly make you look like a savage or make you look like a chick if you overpluck them, overarch them, all right? What I'd recommend, if you have any hair in the center, you definitely need to remove them with tweezers. Do not shave because you're gonna get eyebrow stubble. And last but certainly not least, we gotta talk about exposing a little more tricep action. Guys, if you want your arms to look bigger, more sexy, you gotta make sure your sleeves aren't coming down too far, covering your arm. No. Boom, right? It's all about tricep exposure. You gotta elevate those sleeves. Now, if your current sleeves are coming down too far, no problem. Just cuff them up once, possibly twice. Bonus, since we're talking about arm exposure, guys, if you roll your sleeve, woo, mama, it's all about exposing those forearms. Research has shown that one of the sexiest body parts on a dude, other than that handsome Tiege Hanley face, is his forearms. And so if you want to elevate the chance of that spicy senorita being like, yo, daddy, what's happening? You just got to cuff those sleeves. Make sure you're exposing a little forearm. Now, you want to take it next level, make those forearms sexier? No problem. Wear a watch, gentlemen, because the watch is actually going to shorten the length and look of your forearm, making it look more muscular. Something else that's going to make it look more muscular is actually shaving or trimming the hair on your arm. And one more little bonus, right? L-arginine, right? If you want your arms and your forearms to be a little bit more veiny, more vascular, L-arginine is an amino acid. It's natural. What happens, you take it, your body converts it into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes the blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow into the veins on your arm, making you look more vascular, but it also increases the blood flow to Big Al. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, right. Gentlemen, that's it. See you tomorrow.